Hi, I'm Jack Hemingway with the Gardening Products Review. Today we're reviewing the Corona 1¼ inch pole pruner. There's several features that I really like about this pruner. One is that it has a rotating head. By unscrewing this, you can rotate the head 360 degrees. It's nice for getting into tight spots, and then you can tighten it back down. It also has a pull grip here that is a nice feature when you don't have to extend this too far. Works like this. And then when you really want to extend out and reach long areas, you have a pull ring back here, which you can pull on that and extend this thing almost. Let's see how tall this is. It's about 5 feet tall, so you could stick this into a tree by about 5 feet. I wanted to show you the rope mechanism that actually activates the blade. When you pull on the handle like this and the rope retracts by the spring, you may get some extra rope in here. And this is kind of loose here. You can actually see the handle is loose. Fortunately, there is a area where you can tie an additional knot in here if that slack in the rope bothers you. This is really an excellent pruner. The specs on this is that it'll prune 1¼ inch, and it definitely does that.